Okay, let's make sure muna na clear tayo dito. But Executive Virtual Assistant, EVA, or yung kagaya ng tinatanong ni Beshi dito, Executive Assistant is a virtual assistant and the only difference is that they service executives. Halimbawa, Real Estate Virtual Assistant or REVA, ang clients nila ay real estate agents. Yung executive assistant, yung word na executive sa executive assistant or executive virtual assistant, that simply means na yun yung sinoservice mo na market. And kung ako sa inyo, kung nagsisimula pa lang kayo at kayo ay ngayon pala ang magta-try na maging virtual assistant, huwag niyong i-limit yung sarili ninyo sa kung sino yung clients na isi-service ninyo. Halimbawa, kayo ay marunong ng administrative work or marunong kayo ng support, nag-work kayo sa corporate or nag-work kayo sa BPO, and you know for a fact na kayang-kaya yung mag-handle ng inbox management, calendar, marunong kayo mag-book ng flights, or kaya ninyo maging secretary pero online. Kung kayo to, then again, do not limit yourself to just handling or looking for clients na executives. You want to be able to have this scalable freelancing business, so you don't want to limit yourself sa isa lang na kayang i-service na industry. Bagkus, pag magsisimula pa lang kayo, pag-aralan ninyo yung pinakang general tasks nung role na yon. So if you want to be a virtual assistant who can service different clients. Pagkatapos, halimbawa, freelancer ka na for 6 months to a year and you've decided, you know what, mas magandang ka-work talaga yung mga executives. They're very professional, hindi sila madalas nakikipag-meeting. Or halimbawa, I had this client, he's an executive dito sa isang Fortune 500 na company, and I think ito yung mga gusto ko ng client, saka ka ngayon mag-niche down. Ganun yung magandang atake. I think this strategy works for people who are merely looking for admin offline work, hindi madalas na nagko-calls, medyo flexible yung oras, depende sa kung kailan sila kailangan ng client nila. And if you guys want to learn the basics of general virtual assistance, marami talagang libre nito sa YouTube account ko. I-check nyo na lang doon, meron nung isang buong training talaga dahil na para lang sa general virtual assistant tasks. Libre yon. So, kung gusto niyo naman, pwede kayong pumunta pasok lang kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo tong link sa bio ko, pagkatapos bubuksan nito itong temporary page. I'm so excited. May sinasabi ko yung temporary page. Punta kayo doon sa pinakang baba, guys. Makikita nyo dyan, free resources. Kapag sinunod-sunod ninyo, makikita nyo, baba. Pag sinunod-sunod talaga ninyo, Day, itong free resources na to, yan, yung mga yan, matututunan nyo na kung paano mag-service ng mga clients as a virtual assistant. And again, dahil libre yan. Pagkatapos, kung feeling ninyo, mas gusto ninyo ng yung mas structured na learning or mas nagbo-work kayo if merong live session, pwede kayo mag-join doon sa Revamp Basic Work from Home training program namin. 399 pesos lang yon, pero mag-start na siya today. So, ang next class na, wala tayong class nito ng April because April is buwan ng pahinga. Ang next class na nito ay sa May, but pupunta rin lang kayo doon sa link sa bio ko, tapos makikita ninyo under open classes, 399 pesos, Revamp Basic Work from Home training program. I-click nyo lang yon, pagkatapos makikita nyo na yung pinakang form kung saan kayo mag-enroll. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!